Me and Stinker Butt are frosting, icing in her cupcakes for school. She's helping me, and we're gonna do something with all these little things we got, different sparkles, and we're just gonna do different things. They're not gonna all look the same. And then we have some tarts, Christmas tart thingies, and some dots. So we're gonna figure out something cute for the cupcakes, and that's what she'll be taking with her tomorrow. Mommy daughter like little time together for her Christmas treats for school. All right, y'all. I'll show y'all when they're done. We freestyled them, just did whatever, nothing fancy. Kids will like them. They got candy on them and they're sweet. And these are the other ones. And Rizzy just kind of did little wiggles and stuff with the cream cheese icing. The OCD in me wanted these to be a certain way, but having her help and wanting to do it and do her own thing, I want her to have, her part in it. So, and kids, they don't care. They just be creative. So, yeah, it was fun. And it's a lasting memory that we can cherish that we made them together.